Hi everyone, I'm Robin Kay. If you don't know, and I am also a Chalk Couture independent designer if you haven't seen one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing one of our ChalkMade kits. It's called Bloom Kit, and they come with all the supplies. Here's the instructions. This is what it's going to look like when you get it done. Here's the stuff that comes with it. Set the instructions aside. Here are all the flowers and stuff. You get a tray with a mini squeegee, and you get a paste packet with this is shimmer rose gold. It's a new in vogue color, and I'm gonna go ahead and use, purchased one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. And out that packet you get, of course, your transfer. Get out of here. Open. Get your transfer and get your surface. And if you're interested in this kit, if you go onto my chalk site, robinkay.com, chalkcouture.com/RobinK. Link is down below. You will, that's the hook to put on the back of it. If you click on the tab that says catalog, it's on page 15. I believe it goes for $39.99 US dollars, $51.99 Canadian. And, what else did I say? It also, we have other kits, and if you click onto the tab store, you can go, I think it is packs it's under, and it should show the other kits that we have. If you're interested, these kits give you pretty much everything you need to complete the project. And so I am going to get started. gosh, this is so beautiful. I love it. I love the rose gold. It is an in vogue color, if I didn't say that before. So it's only good for the spring summer catalog, which ends in middle of July. So if you like this color, you might want to grab it. I love it. It's so shimmery and beautiful, the rose gold. But it does come, they do come with a little packet in the kit. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. And it comes with this little hook to put on the back. I'm not going to do it right now, to hang. And so if you like this project or like some of the, you know, go out, like I said, check the other kits that they have that comes with everything. So if you're one of those type of people that like to have everything, all my details are down below. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. And again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and bye. Have a great day.